Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to mirror iPhone to MacBook. So the first step is to simply go to your system settings on your MacBook. So you can do that by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to General, then simply click on AirDrop and Handoff, and from here we're gonna have to enable this option, which is AirPlay Receiver. Now the next step is to simply unlock our iPhone. So I'm gonna do that right now. And then we're gonna have to enable AirDrop on our iPhone. Now make sure that you enable AirDrop on your MacBook too. So I'm gonna choose here everyone. And now what we're gonna have to do next is simply tap on screen mirroring on our control center on our iPhone, and then we're gonna have our MacBook in that list. So you can simply click on that, and as you can see now, we are mirroring our iPhone. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.